Hi, it's Guy from decaf.com, the UK's leading decaffeinated coffee brand. Today, we're going to ask the question, how much caffeine is in decaffeinated coffee? First of all, we should ask ourselves, how much caffeine is in standard regular coffee? Well, a typical 12-ounce cup of caffeinated coffee can be anywhere from 120 milligrams to 180 milligrams of caffeine. How does that compare with decaffeinated coffee? Well, a decaffeinated cup of coffee of the same size has caffeine levels anywhere between 2 milligrams and 15 milligrams of caffeine, depending on the decaffeination process, brewing method, coffee variety, and coffee roasting level. In essence, the caffeine in a cup of decaffeinated coffee is negligible. However, the variable that affects the caffeine level the most is what decaffeination process is used to decaffeinate the coffee beans. Let's analyze the caffeine levels of the three leading decaffeination processes as follows: the methylene chloride decaf coffee process, the CO2 sparkling water decaf coffee process, and the Swiss water decaf coffee process. In order of highest caffeine to lowest caffeine levels, the caffeine levels in these decaffeination processes are as follows. The methylene chloride decaf process is decaffeinated to 96 to 97% caffeine-free level and is a process whereby a chemical solvent called methylene chloride is used to remove the caffeine from coffee beans, so it can contain caffeine levels of 2 to 3%. Methylene chloride is the most popular method of decaffeination in the world. If there is no mention of the decaffeination process on a packet of coffee or instant coffee, then it's safe to assume that methylene chloride was used to decaffeinate the beans. The CO2 decaf process caffeine content is not clear. We cannot find information on how much caffeine is in the CO2 process of decaffeinated coffee. Often called the sparkling water process, it uses CO2 to remove caffeine from green coffee beans instead of a chemical solvent, but we haven't been able to ascertain what caffeine level the CO2 process is typically. The Swiss water decaf process is certified 99.9% caffeine free and uses water, no chemicals, to decaffeinate the beans. We recommend the Swiss water process of decaffeination. To find out more about Decadent Decaf, please visit www.decadentdecaf.com or check out our YouTube channel for more videos on decaf, caffeine, and coffee topics.